In this video, our senior design team is going to unpack our experience in the senior design and key you in on the benefits and challenges of senior design in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at UTK. Our senior design team, Horseshoe Design Solutions, was tasked by the Tennessee Department of Transportation, or TDOT, with providing information about cost differences influenced by structures type, specifically applied to bridge replacement project at I-65 over Horseshoe Road. To validate assumptions of feasibility and advantage, TDOT proposed the effort included evaluation of a long bridge and a short bridge concept. A long bridge steel superstructure was to be considered with a sloped abutment, and a pre-stressed concrete superstructure with an integrated abutment has been requested for the short bridge concept.
Working alongside Benesch, our team provided structural, geotechnical, and construction engineering services. A steel bridge, sloped abutment, and a concrete bridge integral abutment were designed to support the replacement of I-65 over Horseshoe Road in order to evaluate the cost benefits of two valid alternatives. After designing the framing and the abutments for each bridge, our team determined that the original decision made by TDOT was the right one, as the pre-stressed concrete bridge option was around $70,000 cheaper. One of the most beneficial aspects of working on this project was that we get the opportunity to see what it's like to participate in interdisciplinary projects, because our team covers 3 areas of civil engineering, which is what will be faced as we enter the real world with our real jobs.
Throughout the year, this project has come with its challenges, the most prominent of which would be the amount of on-the-job learning. Many aspects of the project, including the abutment design, deck design, and pre-stressed concrete design, were not skills that our team had when we began. Because of this, our team had to spend a lot of time learning how to design and utilize software in order to meet the project needs. Although this was difficult, it was a valuable lesson, in that real-world engineering often requires engineers to delve into unknown areas to provide clients with competent designs.
Another benefit of our senior design experience was the opportunity to actually help our client, TDOT. Instead of working through a strictly imaginary scenario, our team was able to engage in a real-world analysis of 2 bridge design options and provide TDOT with valuable information to reaffirm its decision for the I-65 bridge replacement. With our project deliverables, TDOT has a direct evaluation of a project that offers them with the basis for future design decisions and also reassures them that their design engineer provided them with a cost-effective product.
Our senior design experience was one of the most challenging, but also one of the most valuable career-based exercises we've been a part of. Future students should rest assured that this class will be worth a challenge, and because of that, you'll be better prepared to enter the workforce. Also, to those future students, good luck and take advantage of this great learning opportunity. That's all from Horseshoe Design Solutions.